How to stop your phone's clock from changing automatically. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what you can do and how you can get solution of this. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Let you know that how to stop your phone's clock from changing automatically. This fix will change your mind. First of all, go to the settings option, and after that, you can find the date and time settings of over here. If you don't found over there, sorry, and go to the additional settings, and after that, you have to go to this. Click on this date and time. After that you will see many options like this. From there you have to choose this one, set time automatically, and after that click on this set time zone automatically, and after that use location, and you have to enable a GPS too. So that's the way, because it's fetch data from network of your cellular and internet, and you will never ever feel that your internet is not working. So that's the way how you can easily set up your time, and it's never change. It's just fetched from internet, and that's great. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.